Alright. Yep. This will be part 2. And I'll be opening 5 this time. Yeah, not 4. I think I fixed the camera shaking. I'm sorry if that made you dizzy last video. I know it made me dizzy after I watched it. Yes. Time to open more. Yeah, so this is like, I'm recently just starting Pokemon again. So I hope I'm not boring you guys to death, because I really don't want to. I just want to be able to share this with you guys. Alright, Combi, Mawile, Makuhita, Darkness Energy, Pinsir, Sableye. The reverse is a Legend Box. Not bad. And the rare is another Fortress. I'm starting to hate these guys. Alright, next one. Man. You guys like Fortress? Because I'm not liking him. Alright, Aeron, Gligar, Beldum, Mawile, Eevee, Legend Box, Energy Exchanger, and Eradicate. My reverse is a... wow. Are you kidding me? That's so sexy. Wow. I am so hard now. Just kidding. Yeah, that is... This set has to be one of my favorite. Wow. Alright, cool. Very good packs. Wow, okay. Oh, my rare is a Metagross. Okay, so 2. I think that was 2. Yeah. Alright, a little about me. I'm 17. I'm a senior in high school. Yeah, I don't think you guys need to know too much. Just, I hope these aren't too boring. Tell me what I need to do better if anyone watches these videos, because I really want to make it more interesting for you guys. Alright, Togepi, Combi, Gligar, Stunky, Pineco, Runes of Alph, Jolteon, nice, Energy Exchanger. My reverse is a Togekiss. I like that, that's nice. And my rare is a, come on, Skarmory. Alright, I haven't seen any shaking. I hope you guys haven't. Alright. Next one. Man, I love opening these. Feels nice. Okay, Eevee. Slowpoke. Beldum. Pineco. Stunky. Pinsir. Burn Tower. And the Scyther. That's nice artwork. My reverse is another Houndoom Prime. Are you... Wow. These are some great packs. Alright. Cool. Okay. My rare. A Rotom. Yay. Wow. 2 Houndooms in, what was that, 4 packs? Yeah? Yeah. That is very good. Alright, one more. Wow. I'm going to try something different. Okay, Eevee, Houndour, Pikachu, Houndour, Stunky, Raichu, nice. Oh my gosh. Scyther, Vaporeon. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oops. Wow. I don't even need to talk. This is awesome. That is beautiful. Yeah, I like the artwork. Sorry if I'm being annoying, but I don't usually get pulls like this, ever. Yeah, alright. And the rare Skarmory. Wow, so that was an amazing 3 packs. And if you want to know what I got last video, I got a Fortress Hollow, a Raichu, sexy, and an Espion Hollow. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next 5 pack openings. Hopefully they're as good as these. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Yes, to the Pokebox.